let us look at all the examples of this like operator. So let me write here. So you can write like operator, and suppose if I write a and percentage, so this will find, or it will results you all the values or any values that starts with starts with a starts with a. If I write like, and if I give percent a, percent after a, so this will find any value that ends with a. So if you want to find the pattern which is at the beginning, then you use a and then use a percentage. If you want to use a pattern that is ending with a, then you use a percent and then you use a here. So let me show you this hands on. I'll copy the same code which we have seen, and let me execute this r after the percent. Okay, let me take r and execute this. If I get a product which is ending with r, I can see here. Now I cannot see any product which is, oh, just a second, let me close this comment. Yeah, now let me execute this and check. Yeah, so there are no products which are ending with r. So let me take a and check. There are no products with a also.
Then use T.
Yeah, let us take t and check. Yeah, you can see the product vendor which is ending with T. You can see all the products here. So this is a like pattern that is ending with the T here. So in this case it is A. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.